Solana has emerged as one of the top-performing digital tokens of 2021. After recording 17,500% growth this year alone and being called the Ethereum killer, Solana has also gained prominence among new and old investors. Its ability to overstep mainstream cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum with its underlying blockchain technology has provided an edge to Solana's price. Besides, predictions suggest that Solana will break its $300 resistance before 2021 end and might even hit $500 in 2022. According with Analytics Insight, many reasons contribute to the growing interest among investors in Solana. Its price surge is solely contributed to its performance and added features. The cryptocurrency has entered the top list this year and grew from $1 billion where it started in 2021 to $70 billion. Similar to Bitcoin's supply limit and the newly introduced burn option in Ethereum, Solana also has a limited annual issuance. Currently, there are about 302 million Solana coins in circulation. When the coin was incepted, it began by increasing its supply by 8% annually, but that figure declines 15% each year, until it ultimately reaches 1.5% annually. Even though Solana's price has risen briskly, instead of just looking at the recent gains, investors should look at its timeline and check the factors that could drive its price surge. Founded in 2017, Solana is an open-source platform designed to host decentralized and scalable applications. Run by Solana Foundation based in Geneva, the blockchain was built by San Francisco-based Solana Labs. Solana's cryptocurrency, SOL, has surged in value and adoption in 2021 after it rallied to a record high. Solana's co-founder Anatoly Yakovenko published a white paper on proof of history concept that laid the foundation stone for SOL digital token. POW is a proof for verifying order and passage of time between events, and it is used to encode trustless passage of time into a ledger. There are 3 reasons why Solana price could see additional upside in 2022. There is strong institutional appetite for Solana's ecosystem. Solana's market capitalization is more than double that of Avalanche and Terra, each of which has a $26 billion market cap. Searching Solana's latest news on Cointelegraph yields an exciting array of institutional investments, ranging from the $314 million private token sale by Solana Labs in June, to an $18 million fundraise in September by Solana's DEX project Orca. Solana has the 3rd largest futures market. Solana currently holds the 3rd largest futures open interest, which is the most relevant metric in derivatives contracts. This indicator aggregates the total number of contracts held by market participants regardless of the recent trading activity. Solana leads in TVL, users and derivatives markets. Undoubtedly, there's an impressive amount of activity coming from Solana's on-chain data and derivatives markets. The network's TVL increased by 15x over the past 6 months, and Solana's dapps users is nearly half the amount of users on the Ethereum network. Solana seems to be quickly closing the gap in 3 important metrics: TVL, active users, and derivatives markets. Competitors like Terra, Avalanche and Polygon seem a long way behind, which possibly justifies the market capitalization premium. According with Investor Place, Solana is already one of the biggest clear-cut winners of 2021. The SOL coin has boomed. This boom can be attributed to many things, be it the high-risk market trends or the network's highly successful foray into non-fungible tokens, NFTs. But the biggest factor behind this open-source dapp playground isn't just hype or NFT trendiness. Rather, it's Solana's position to give Ethereum a run for its money as the king blockchain network. They also said that Solana's biggest edge is its scalability. As blockchain continues to become more and more ubiquitous among internet users, there will certainly be more transactions of data occurring on these chains. Some networks are simply more apt at handling larger volumes of transactions than others. Solana's is one such network, and it is using this growing adoption to its advantage. Take, for example, Ethereum's hike in gas fees. Through this year, gas fees for an average transaction on Ethereum reached prices as high as $50 for a simple swap. The 2,300% growth in fees is exasperating Ethereum's users, and Solana has become a network that many are turning to. Solana offers up to 50,000 transactions per second, and it promises fees of below 1 cent to pay for these transactions. Ethereum is working on improving scalability through its merge upgrade, but this is still far off. The network won't be making its big proof-of-stake overhaul until at least summer of 2022. In the meantime, Solana continues to explode in size and market cap. Since January, the network has added 500,000 active users, and SOL's market cap has grown to nearly $100 billion. New GameFi partnership could benefit investors in 2022. According to InvestingCube, Solana has recorded modest gains for the second day after partnering with Forte and Griffin Gaming Partners to develop the gaming component of Solana's ecosystem. This partnership is geared towards transforming Solana into a GameFi hub. The crypto market has endured a steep correction, and Solana has borne its own share of the brunt after hitting its all-time highs in November. However, with 2022 set to be the year of the metaverse tokens, this funding initiative could be one that accumulators looking for bargain prices on the SOL/USDT pair can build on. In November, Solana Ventures had launched a $100 million fund in partnership with FTX and Lightspeed Venture Partners to mark its entry into the gaming finance space. $150 million will be set aside to invest in the network's game development. Solana's 65,000 transactions per second speed puts it in good stead to sustain play-to-earn games. Steady ecosystem growth, institutional investment, and a healthy derivatives market are strong signals that Solana will continue to be a top contender in 2022.